Hey everyone, it's like 40 degrees and raining outside today, so I figured it was a good day to install my BC Racing DS series coilovers. Let's open it up and see what we got inside. Got some instructions, BC Racing t-shirt, a bunch of stickers, some air fresheners. Oh yeah, man, these things are sweet. For 2019, I'm going to run an 8K front spring, a 5K rear spring. Something I always do to every set of BC Racing coilovers I get is install this zip tie. I use this to monitor shock travel instead of using potentiometers and getting all nerdy with it. I put the zip tie around the shock shaft. I don't know if you can see that. And after every run, I check to see where this zip tie is on each shock. Woo! Old BRs, new DSs. Woo! Two Duggas. Torque the spec. Woo. All right, rear's done. All right, here goes the fronts. Good. Well, that's a wrap, guys. Got my new BC Racing DS series coilovers on, and I am stoked to do some driving next year.